Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome to Make Money Tips with Techline. My name is Lena and today I'm gonna be showing you a new way to make money online. For this job that I'm gonna be talking about today, it is a really nice and easy job. Being a document processor is doesn't involve being on phone all the time, so it is the best opportunity for you today. So on my previous video, I have talked about signing up to Upwork because I believe that it is one of the most important platforms to sign up to as a freelancer. So this job I'm going to be talking about today is in Upwork, was posted in Upwork. And wow, it wasn't posted yesterday, but it was posted like 22 days ago. But then it's been here for a while, so they're still hiring for the freelancers they need. So this job needs 25 freelancers. And when you go to Upwork, like for you, what I normally do to check if a job is legit, I normally go to the client section and like if you're using this laptop or desktop, on your right you see if the client is verified. So I have to check if the payment method of the client is verified, and if the payment method is verified, I will come down here and check the ratings. So you see, like, this client has a 4.58 ratings, and I will also check if the client has spent any money here. So like you can see, this one has spent $3.6 million on this on Upwork. So that means that these are very legit clients. So without further ado, I'm gonna just go in here and look at what they need for the job. So they say we are an Upwork Enterprise customer. So that one is another plus. If you see that, you know that our client is legit. So when you come down here, you see like we're an Upwork Enterprise customer looking to partner with document processors to be responsible for reviewing and processing enrollment applications, student enrollment documentation, and student file maintenance. So the role routinely exercises technical skills with our systems and is expected to maintain reliable attendance and consistently achieve job-specific performance standards. Maintain compliance to state school standards is a key responsibility, and they're saying that this payroll opportunity has a home rate of 14.5 dollars per hour with eligibility for overtime. So that's the amount of money they're gonna be paying. And you're not gonna be on phone. It's just a document processing job. So don't worry about it if you don't wanna be on phone. And this company is really legit. So if you wanna apply, just go ahead and apply now because they're gonna be closing soon. So and you come down here, you see like the responsibilities. You're going to be able to process, verify, and maintain information, adhere to document processing guidelines, ensure school and start date compliance guidelines are met, enter enrollment documents such as transcripts, birth certificates, proof of residency, and immunizations, establish secure access to student records, proactively update the supervisor with assignment status, maintain schedule flexibility, perform organization, clerical tasks, and other tasks as needed. Physical qualifications will include typing, hearing, speaking, you will need ability to maintain a professional home office, attend virtual training via webcam, own or have daily access to a smart device with apps that can be downloaded. That's a phone or tablet. Strong attention to detail, ability to respond appropriately to feedback and guidance, and so on and so on. The last one is ability to clear background check. You have to, like they're gonna run a background check on you because the ideal candidate should be proficient in MS Word products, Office products, to send emails including attachments, ability to use Microsoft Excel, Salesforce experience, previous experience with Stride K12. So this company that's hiring, here is a Stride K12. So if you have previous experience with Stride K12, that's an added advantage. Then previous experience in working in a call center environment. But then this position is not like a call center; it's a document processing position, which doesn't involve being on calls. So our system requirements: our work from home members were asked to have and maintain high speed internet connection at a minimum of 25 Mbps download speed and 5 Mbps upload speed. Some internet service providers enable what is called as SIPALG. Like you need fast internet. Ethernet connection is a preferred but not a must. In order to be eligible for this opportunity, you must complete a short 8-minute survey. Link sent upon the receipt of your proposal. Following the completion of a short survey, you will need to conduct a pre-recorded video interview. Thank you. So they just it's a 40-hour per week, starting from June to October. Like you have to be available from June to October. It's a full-time job. In order to be eligible for this work opportunity, you must complete a short minimum survey. So this opportunity is really good for you, and if you're really interested in applying for this, especially if you're a new mom, if you qualify for this job opportunity, which doesn't require a degree, and most likely they're gonna give you equipment for this company, because those ones who have worked with K12 before, they normally receive equipment. So they will probably give you equipment to get started for this job. They provide everything, a laptop and monitor, and so that you can be able to work for them. So all right, that's all for today, guys. Go ahead and apply for that position. And if you're new here, and if you're here for the first time, kindly consider subscribing. And thank you for being here and watching my video to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.